What's up, online shoppers? I just got the coolest little fridge deodorizer, and it's stainless steel and it lasts for 10 years. Let's talk about how cool this little 10-year Purriko fridge deodorizer is. This is a stainless steel encapsulated advanced catalytic decomposition filter. The air passes through all these little openings in the filter here. Now, the idea behind it is that the odors in your fridge are going to be trapped in water molecules and then filtered inside of here as air is flowing in and out. And as the water molecules pass through the filter in here, the filter traps those things that are making your air in your fridge smell, and all you're left with is a fresher smelling air in your refrigerator. Now, this is supposed to be more effective than baking soda or bamboo, so I am definitely going to do a comparison between the bamboo bags that I have and this Purriko air filter. It is rated for 10 years. The thing is, this is just a really neat looking little gadget that you put on the shelf in your fridge, and it looks cool in your refrigerator. It isn't just a box of baking soda shoved in a corner. It actually has a really nice, sleek, modern aesthetic to it. This requires no power supply, no recharging, no saturation, and it also isn't putting out a bunch of extra fragrances on top of what you already have going on in your fridge. It just quietly sits there on the shelf, absorbs the odor, does its job, and it looks good at the same time. If you look through the venting in the side, you can actually see a little air filter in there. You can put them in places other than your refrigerator. You can put them in your stinky sports bag. You can put them in your shoe closet. You can put them in the suitcases that you leave up on the shelf and only pull out when it's time to travel. So this is a multi-purpose tool. When I originally ordered this, it only came in stainless steel, but now I see there are lots of other stylish colors. I am really impressed with it. Really stylish outside looks, the fact that it doesn't need to be recharged, saturated, refreshed, and also the fact that it comes in lots of different stylish colors. I think this Purriko small space refrigerator air deodorizer is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.